Hello students, I am Samyuddin R. Sayyed from Department of Chemistry, Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati, presenting the slides of your organic chemistry practical. Students, now I am going to start exercise number 3, which is qualitative analysis. Qualitative analysis is the process by which components of mixtures are separated and identified. Unlike quantitative analysis, where the amount of a particular material is measured, qualitative analysis scheme simply confirms the presence or absence of certain material. The word qualitative comes from the word quality. Qualitative analysis means analyzing the unknown sample on the basis of their quality via testings like flame test, functional group test, special test, and other tests. Qualitative analysis is the determination of non-numerical information about a chemical species, a reaction, etc. For example, observing that a reaction is creating gas that is bubbling out of solution, or observing that a reaction results in color change. Powder 1. Aim: detection of given compound. Preliminary test. Test: color, colorless. State: crystalline solid. Nature: crystalline. Solubility: soluble in water. Odor: odorless. Element detection. Sodium fusion extract preparation. Take a fusion tube and a small amount of sodium metal, then heat it. When sodium metal fused, drops of little compound clear it and heat a tube gently. It vigorous initial reaction occurs, remove the flame and allowed reaction subside. Add further a small quantity of substance and then continue heating to the tube till it become red hot. Break the tube in water in china dish, then boil it and filter this filtrate. This is nothing but the sodium extract. Now the observation table. Test: 1 ml of sodium extract plus 1 drop of FeSO4 plus 1 ml NaOH color develop plus cool dilute HCl H2SO4. Observation: blue or green color PPT. Inference: nitrogen is present. Now the flame test. Sooty flames gives the compound is aromatic and also compound in bromine water makes water colorless. For example, the unsaturation also present. Functional group detection test. Test: heat a little compound with 1 ml NaOH solution. Observation: evolved ammonia. Inference: amide is present. Special test. In a test tube, take a pinch amount of compound and add concentrated HCl in it. Then warm it and cool it and add some pieces of ice. N2 is evolved. Inference: nitrogen is present. Take two test tubes for this test. In a first test tube, take sodium nitrate solution and add some small pieces of ice. Formation of BDC. Observation is orange dye stuff germination and result: primary amide is present. Flame test. Sooty flames gives the compound is aromatic and also compound in bromine water makes water colorless. For example, the unsaturation also present. Determination of melting point. The melting point of given compound is 126 degrees Celsius. It indicates that benzamide may present. Preparation of derivative. Derivative of amide is benzoic acid. Melting point of derivative. Its ground to be 122 degrees Celsius. Now the last part of this experiment is result. On the basis of all the tests taken from the given sample, it indicates that compound may be benzamide.